Welcome back. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to use the Sculpt Surface tool in Inventor Fusion. Let's create a new sketch on the XY plane. Activate the Circle command. And drop our circle about here. Stop the sketch. Go to the Extrude tool. And select our profile. It'll be a symmetric extrusion. Let's drag the handle. And click OK. Now let's insert another sketch. Right-click on the XZ plane, New Sketch. This time we'll bring up an ellipse. Center point, major axis, minor axis. And let's exit our sketch. Extrude, symmetric extrusion. Adjust the depth. And let's click OK. All right, let's activate the Sculpt Surface tool. This tool converts an enclosed volume to a solid. First thing I'm going to do is select both of my surfaces. And let's opt to Show Tools. Let's toggle Cells on. Click OK. And let's hide the surfaces. Here's my solid, and you're able to see it in the browser as well. It's got a node now. Let's undo that solid, and undo again. Let's create one more surface. Edit this sketch. Top view. And let's bring in a 3-point arc. First point, second point, and here's my third point. Let's stop the sketch. Activate the Extrude command now. I'm going to select the arc. For the direction, I'll use symmetric. Drag the handle. And let's click OK. Activate the Sculpt tool again. I'll select this face and this face. Let me actually make the origin visible. I'm going to select the XZ plane, XZ plane, and a preview of the cell is right here. Let's toggle Cells on and click OK. Now let's hide our surfaces and the origin planes. And here is our solid. This concludes our overview of Inventor Fusion's Sculpt tool.